Hi, my name is Ayush Gupta and I have 9 months of experience in developing and fine-tuning AI models as well as crafting AI/ML applications. Currently on the brink of completing my bachelor's in computer science from ABES Institute of Technology, I am a certified Python developer who will go an extra mile for get things done. I have worn many hats as a full-stack developer and have not limited myself to just one stack. On the backend programming, I use Python as well as Java. On frontend spectrum, I enjoy coding in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and frameworks like Flask, React, and Node. I have also designed datasets on MySQL and MongoDB databases. I have a good exposure of REST API and security, as well as knowledge of Linux-based system and cybersecurity concepts. All of my project was based on TDD, focusing on creating applications, debugging, testing, and refining the whole software. I have successfully executed 2 prototype projects and a POC projects through full SDLC process using sought-after technologies. I understand the importance of teamwork and typically collaborating with 5 to 7 developers with specific supervision in coding, analysis, and performing unit testing on applicable code. Currently, I am engaged in a project focused on AI chatbots for customer support. This project has deepened my understanding in retrieval augmentation generation architecture, its application in real-time solution and context-driven instructions, ultimately leading to more personalized customer support. In my free time, I really enjoy attending developer meets and technical talks to stay updated with latest trends. At this stage of my career, I am still very keen on learning new technologies and would like to work for the company which will not only challenge my technical expertise but will also provide me with better career opportunity.